These few days on YouTube has actually been a roller coaster for me. And why I'm actually sharing this video is because I want you to actually learn from my mistake and so that you can actually be safe on your channel. I got a strike. And then I appeal. My appeal was rejected. And I'll also share with you guys every single thing that has actually been happening to me after that strike. Everything literally changed. My life, every single thing. Anyways, let's dive right into this video. I got a strike on my channel and my channel almost got deleted. Like, this is not funny. This is absolutely not funny. And that is why you're seeing this mail that I'm attaching here, so that you don't even think I'm coming here to clickbait. I'm bigger than clickbaiting. That's just the honest truth. I got a strike on my channel. And after that strike, a lot of things have actually been happening. And to be honest, if I knew that what I was actually suffering from was this particular strike I got on my channel, I wouldn't have even been able to bother myself, to be honest. Okay, let me just give you guys a quick backstory and let me tell you guys why I actually got that particular strike, why each and every one of us as well should actually be careful. God. Hey God. Anyways, you guys know that I did not upload for like 10 days, or is it over 10 days? I didn't even upload because I was actually sick. So because I was sick, I didn't even pay attention to checking analytics, checking my mail. Because what I do basically is I do check my mails. I don't joke with that, you understand? And before I upload my videos, I do make sure that all the restriction check is being thoroughly checked by YouTube, whatever, man, no go bite my mouth. Checked by YouTube, and once I see that everything is okay, I go ahead and upload my video. I don't just create videos and just go ahead to publish them. I mind what I said on YouTube. I mind what I do on YouTube because I don't want to go against the YouTube rules and regulation. So this period that I was sick, I did not even upload video. I didn't even know that my channel actually had a strike. Frankly speaking with you guys, I did not know that my channel actually have a strike. So when I resumed back, I upload my first video and it didn't really do well. I was like, okay, definitely I know that once you stop uploading on YouTube for a while, the algorithm will actually pick its change. And I can't jeopardize my health, right? So I didn't even bother about that. I knew that once I come back, at least within a space of 1 week, the channel should actually be able to pick up. So I came back and I uploaded my first video and the views were doing like this. I didn't really bother. I was like, okay, maybe probably the algorithm was actually against me because I actually took a break, because that was actually the first time I was taking this lengthy break. If you check, I didn't upload in any of my channel, not even on my lifestyle channel, because it was not that I resumed that I started uploading there. For those ones that will be like, are you sure you did not know about the strike? Anyways, so when I found out that the videos were not doing well, I came live stream. Normal me on my live stream, I get 100 views, I get 90 views. Like the least views I get on my live stream, like if there is nobody there, 35 people will actually be viewing me. You understand? And I still get subscribers from live stream. I still get people coming to super chat me. I still get people coming to like support me on my live stream. So I noticed that I went live that second day after posting my first video. I think the second day I went live and I was seeing 10 views, 14 views, 20 views, then it will drop down again. I was seeing, I was like, what is actually the problem? Because I really do not know where the problem is coming from. I just said, okay, maybe probably it's still because of the break. But this was what really caught my attention. Some of my YouTube people started chatting me up from my community, because I have a community on WhatsApp, I have a community on Telegram. They started chatting me up. They were like, Vibe Sonia, hope all is well with you. We are not seeing your videos. I hope you're okay. I even have to respond. I was like, I'm not feeling fine, but I will bounce back, right? And even when I came back, some persons also keep chatting me. They were like, I'm not seeing your views. I'm not seeing your videos. And my monetization is turned on. But when I go into your channel, I will not see the video. I was not like, I don't understand. Where is this one coming from? If your monetization is, if your notification is turned on, definitely you're supposed to see my videos. So it went back and forth like that, and I became a little bit worried. So I was like, okay, let me go and check my YouTube studio. And then I checked my YouTube studio, and something just said, just go check your mail, because I do get notifications right on my YouTube studio. So most of the comments I got from that day took that notification down. And then because I checked the normal app, right? So I went to my, what they call it, my studio, which is the desktop. What's my mail? I went to my mail, and then I saw this devastating, oh my God, your channel have one strike. And it will take a period of 90 days, like 3 good months for that strike to be over. Definitely, I know, because that's the rules when your channel actually got strike. So I was trying to check the video that I actually did that got that channel strike. And when I saw the video, I said, poppo video, poppo live stream tutorial video. I've been doing this video, so what's the problem? What is happening? So when I checked, I have to now call one of my friend that is really, really good with this YouTube thing. And he said the title that I used on the video actually is the one that got me the strike. I was like, title that I used, but the video was actually not violating. So what really happened? And that was when it was not dawned on me that this is where the problem is coming from. So if you guys don't know, in anything you're doing now on YouTube, you have to be very careful, because I now remember that Audita's Rockstar TV, her videos were taken down. And when I look at the video I did, I was like, that video has literally been on my schedule. Like, the video has been on my schedule. YouTube has checked the video, and they said nothing is wrong with it. And now I upload it, and then I got a strike. You understand? And I was like, okay, this is where my problem is coming from. Anyways, till now that I'm talking to you guys, the strike is very, very active. When I mean very active on my channel, because as it stands, I'm supposed to have even gotten over 95,000 subscribers. Subscribers are coming, but the subscribers, YouTube keep taking them down. YouTube keep taking the subscribers down. And I actually appealed. For those that will be like, oh, go ahead and appeal, because when I was checking, when I saw the video, I was like, this video, I don't understand. Let me go and appeal anyways. I actually appealed, and I was like, YouTube, I'm appealing. I'm appealing that this content, if it's the, tell me to change the title, let me rest. And they still said, no, your appeal was rejected. This was actually the appeal message that I'm putting up here. Your appeal was rejected, and your appeal can no longer be accepted, and your appeal will not be accepted. Blah, blah, blah. It's violated our YouTube monetization policy. And guys, I have to go and check the new findings and the new rules and regulation. I found out that titles like that are no longer accepted on YouTube. Titles like that are no longer accepted. If you're creating how to make money video, you have to be careful. Like, when I mean very careful, I have to now start searching for people that are doing such kind of content. I noticed that their channels were also, some person's channel were actually taken down. Some person's channel, I chatted some other persons that I know as well, and they said yes, that they also have strike on their channel. And I just learned from my mistake. Anyways, this is to tell you guys that there is nobody that actually knows it all. So if you want to actually venture into how to make money videos right now, how to make money videos, you have to be very, very careful on how you're actually going to be doing it. Because to be honest, right now, I do not know the fate of this particular channel. Anything can happen, fingers crossed. And that's why I'm actually creating this awareness. But I believe God that after 90 days, the strike will actually just go off on the channel, so that my peace of mind can actually come back. So for now, what is the major thing that I'm actually suffering from? I'm suffering from views, because even when even when people are actually viewing, the views is actually dropping. I know. So like I said, I'm supposed to even have gotten over 95,000 subscribers. Like day before yesterday, what really happened was I have like 93.7k, and I just drop it back down to 93.6k. But I just feel like, okay, this is just my fate for now, because I asked other persons as well, and they were like, yeah, if your channel actually have strike, it is going to happen. So I was not really too bothered about it. I'm not even too bothered about it. That's just the truth. All my recommendation as I'm talking to you guys now is on 0 level. So lucky is those people that actually found this video, because as it stands, YouTube is no longer recommending my content that much the way they were doing it before. Like my videos that were really doing like with speed, like everything. As I'm talking to you guys now, the video has died off with recommendation. I know that this is just actually a phase, because if you know Vibe Sonia, you should know that Vibe Sonia is a fighter. You should know that Vibe Sonia don't give up on things. You should know that even if anything happens, I'm gonna bounce back strong. That's one good part about me, and that is why I keep pushing out content. I've told myself already, even if it's 2 views, even if it's 200 views, even if it's 100 views, since I already knew what was actually wrong with the channel, I really do not mind. I'll just keep pushing out my content the way I usually keep pushing out my content here, and so help me God. So yeah, that was actually what happened to my channel. As I'm talking to you guys right now, my channel is actively on strike. And apart from the strike, another thing is my channel is not demonetized, right? So my channel is still monetized by the grace of God. And YouTube already said if I have 3 strikes, they're gonna take it down. They're going to take the channel down, which that I know. So 3 months is actually long. I don't know if this 100k subscribers I'm planning this year will come to pass again, because just imagine July, August, September. I think the strike will actually go off October, right? I think October. So fingers crossed, believing God for the strike to be over. And if the strike is also over, I'll come here and tell you guys. But anyways, I'm sharing my experience here so that you can actually learn from my mistake as well, and so that you should also be very, very careful out there. Just know that right now, as it stands, there are a lot of content that YouTube is actually not permitting, from your titles, from the way you talk, from the videos you're uploading, from a lot of things, reuse content, reaction videos, faceless channels. Like, you just have to be very, 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 very careful. If it can happen to Vibe Vision, it can happen to anyone. And that's why I always keep telling anybody, even on my YouTube classes, I always keep telling people that anything can actually happen, right? Someone with 90,000 subscribers, and that person with just 1,000 subscribers can come and surpass that person. Just know that anything you are doing on YouTube, be safe. And apart from be safe, I'll give you one word for those people that watched this last part of this video. If you're already monetized on YouTube, save. Any small money you're getting from YouTube, save, because anything can happen. If anybody should tell me one day that I will sit down, get strike, and all my recommendation, everything I worked hard for would actually go down, I would not believe. Like, for a video that I've actually stayed on my channel for the past 10 days, that I've not uploaded the video, and I don't know. It's crazy, but who are we? I will still keep thanking YouTube no matter what happened for this platform. This platform is actually a great opportunity. This platform has really helped me network. This platform has really been a blessing to me. This platform has really given me like all phases of life I should be able to test. I've cried, I've laughed. To be honest, when I even saw that this channel have a strike, I did not cry. Funny me, more like me, I did not cry. I was just like, what is this? You understand? Am I feeling bad? I'm feeling bad a bit. I can't lie. My heart is broken. My heart is shattered, because at the end of the day, I put in work on this channel. But will I still move on? Yes, I will definitely move on, and I will just keep uploading videos to anybody that will watch, to anybody that will like, to anybody that will comment. to YouTube recommendation. And I just want to also use this opportunity to tell YouTube, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That's why you people should keep updating us quick. You people should keep updating us quick. And I can't blame myself. Why I'm saying I can't blame myself is because I've been sick. I've literally been sick. If not, I get information. So I would have gotten that information long time ago. I remember there was one time one of my lady friend called me and she was like, "Oh, Sonia, I think there was one type of content I actually put up, and the lady was like, "Oh, Sonia, please don't be doing this kind of content." I just saw one new rules on YouTube and I was like, okay, I just took down that content immediately. You understand? That content was not even getting started, but I feel like we learn every day. Don't always forget to come to correct me whenever I'm wrong. But anyways, if you still want to channel coaching and reviews, this is where I personally go into channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add, because as it stands, I have passed through all the phase of YouTube. I've been demonetized before. I've got to strike before. And I just got another strike. So, my channel have been deleted. My people channel got deleted. Like, there is no phrase of YouTube I've literally not passed. Like, that's what I keep telling myself. If there is anybody that can coach you on YouTube, it's vibe with Sonia. Do you know what I've been through on this street of YouTube? Anyways, we keep making money on this street by the special grace of God. And yes, keep supporting your girl. If you see my live stream, please join. Always try to search for me. If I'm Sonia, where are you? I want to watch your videos. Anyway, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, I do Adela Kolese in my videos. I'm going to be saying, and I'll see you guys in my next one. I love you and I love you, YouTube. Mwah. I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay? Go do YouTube and make money. Make money on YouTube.